All right. So what are we doing here?
Grab this.
I want to video you guys.
Stand there, laugh at me.
Lift it.
There we go.
I gotta shoot the intro. I'm shooting the intro.
Do it.
All right. Well, here is the SuperMoto, as we were talking about. Well, this isn't the SuperMoto. This is gonna be the SuperMoto. This is Honda 2017 Honda 650. What is it? XR650?
XRL.
XR. Yeah, there it is, right there. That's what it is. XR650L. And we got a SuperMoto kit for it, right here. So we'll be putting these gold rims on it with brand new tires. Got a new fender right here for it. And we're not entirely sure what we're doing. And I've already missed them taking the front tire off. I assume they're using all the appropriate tools.
Absolutely. When you get the hammer out, you know it's real.
Freaking Honda certified right here. What are you talking about?
Yep. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, so they're using the screwdriver and the hammer, as mentioned in the Honda service book. So, I'm not really sure what really you're taking the tire off.
We're changing the brake pads.
Changing the brake pads, and then all you gotta do is put the front tire on.
And the back one.
Okay.
But yeah, the front one, yeah.
So
The kit's almost done.
the kit's pretty much just a plug and play.
Yeah, other than like this is for the speedometer.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not gonna read right because the wheel is obviously, that's like a 21-inch. And the new one's a 17, so it's not gonna read right for the speedometer.
So do you have the part to fix it? Or
No,
not?
I'm just gonna,
So it's gonna be like,
it's just gonna be off, just like if you put bigger tires on your truck.
is there a way you can fix it?
You have to get a whole new thing. It's like called the Trail Tech.
Is that the digital
Yeah.
one? So pretty much if you do a SuperMoto conversion and you get the tires and stuff, your speedometer is gonna be off.
Unless you get the Trail Tech.
All right, well,
Unless you get the Trail Tech.
Yeah.
Sell this bad boy on eBay.
Defender?
Yeah.
Think it'd be worth anything on there?
Probably.
Probably at least $1,000 right
I
there.
would get this. It's not even in the thing, you idiot.
It won't go all the way in
Yeah.
Here,
there.
you come over here and hold this caliper and I'll go do that.
All right.
Since this only takes one hand.
Alright. What's this? Oh.
Dude.
You just ripped that.
No, I didn't.
You didn't.
Well, it's on camera, so
Yeah.
we'll play it back. Just show us
Look at that
throwing the
ugly
thing in.
freaking weld.
Yeah, I know. That's
That
just
is
Japanese
just-
for you.
Okay, I'm gonna definitely edit that out of the video.
I didn't know we were
Jeez.
rolling.
Gonna be instantly.
Oh.
Let's just take this.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Okay. Come.
You do better burnouts that way.
That's right.
Where's the axle?
I got it, dude.
Slide it in.
Alright guys, so the bike is done. I got it all finished. Ran into a few problems here and there, kind of as always. But anyway, without further ado, go ahead and check the bike out. guys liked it. It turned out pretty awesome, I think. A few thoughts on the bike. It did not lower it as far as I thought it would. Thought it was going to come down, you know, I don't know, 4 inches, 3, 4, I don't know. It didn't really lower the bike much at all, the SuperMoto kit. If you're looking at buying these bikes brand new, between the SuperMoto or buying the Honda and turning it into a SuperMoto, just buy the SuperMoto. It's already done, you don't have to do the work. And the SuperMoto kit, I think, when it's all said and done, you know, was probably right around 1,500 bucks. So you're better off just to save yourself some money and go get the SuperMoto right out of the gate. But, you know, other than that, it's not a complete, just a bolt-on system where you really don't have to do anything. There is a few things that take some finagling and some, you know, thinking about to get done. But all in all, it was pretty easy. We got it done in one day. The bike looks good, it runs good. It's just if I were gonna do it over again, if we were in the dealership again, I'd just buy the Suzuki SuperMoto. One more thing to keep in mind, the speedometer does not work any longer because the cable did not work with the SuperMoto kit. They do sell a digital display, I think it is, aftermarket, so you can have a working speedometer, but the stock one, at least in our case, did not work any longer with the kit. So keep that in mind too if you're looking at getting one of those kits. You know, and you're gonna have to shorten your chain up probably a little bit. So it would be a good idea. And if you have the stock chain, it doesn't already have a master link in it, you'll have to get the chain cutter and then a master link to do that. So keep that stuff in mind if you're looking at turning your 650 into a SuperMoto. And if you're deciding between buying a SuperMoto, the DRZ SuperMoto, or buying a Honda and turning it into a SuperMoto, I just go with the DRZ, honestly, from the get-go. But I think it looked great, and you know, hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a comment below, like the video, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe and turn on notifications, or you will not be notified when we upload new videos. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and we will catch you next time. Bye.